been getting warnings all night about flooding and everything, and this river is normally where you may have seen, this is where I normally drive my radio control car. It's pretty close to the top now, I guess. As high as I've ever seen it, anyway. Slight concern. Still needs an awful lot more water to get it to actually breach. But it has been constantly raining. Still constantly raining. Makes you wonder what to do when you're constantly getting warnings to evacuate your home. I think my home is still quite a long way away from this. Touch wood. Yeah, interesting times.